How to add back to top in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add back to top in Squarespace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Squarespace account, and then your web browser, open a new tab. Alright, now this new tab will be titled www.fsite.com. Fsite is a site where you would be able to create a widget. Okay, yes, so once you type fsite.com, you'll be taken to the home page. All right, now on the home page, you'll be asked to create an account. I have an account already, that's why this is being displayed. Okay, so once you're on the web, you've created an account, you'll be taken to this catalogs page. Now catalogs page, in the search bar, type out back to top. Okay, back to top. Yes, you'll see it. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page where you'll be asked to select a template. All right, currently I cannot click on this because I have created a back to top widget before, and I am on the free plan for Elfsite. On Elfsite, you have a list of plans such as free, premium, etc. So that's why I cannot go beyond this, because as a free plan user, I can only create back to top widgets once, and after that once, I am no longer allowed to create a widget. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to the page where you have to choose a template. Okay, just choose the template, and once the template has been chosen, you'll see the publish icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and then select the plan you want. If it's free plan, if it's a paid plan, just select it. So once you select it, your code will be cutting. Just copy the code. So as you can see, this is the template. So just select the one you want, back to top, yeah, and then click on continue with template. Once you click on continue with template, you'll see a list of options here. Just edit it the way you want, and then once you're done editing it, you will see a publish icon here. But like I said, I have created a back to top widget before, that's why it is not here. Okay, and I'm not allowed to create it more than once. So just click on it, copy your code, and once your code has been copied, go back to your Squarespace account, and then on your Squarespace account, you'll see some options in the sidebar. Click on website. Once you click on website, you'll be taken to the pages page. Select website tools and under utilities. All right, once you've selected website tools, you'll be taken to this page. Select code injection, and then here select where you want the back to top to be, in the header or in the footer. All right, for me, I'll be selecting the footer. So just left click and then paste the code. Once the code has been pasted, the save icon will come alive. Click on save, and then once you click on save, your website will be affected and back to top will be added to your website. So this is how you can add back to top in Squarespace. Thanks for watching.